Is that on? Yep. Okay. So 51.6 volts. Let's go. What the wind noise is going to be like. Okay, dropping down to 47.8 because it's under load. And okay, now we're on cruise control, 47.4. And I'm gonna have to kick a few times. And here we go. So this is also a bit of a hill. Now we're dropping down to 46. Don't know how well the hill's going to sort of work on this. That's a nice bike. I still sort of wish that I hadn't sold my my Giant.
Yeah, no, it's been having a reasonable ride.
I know, right? I wonder what the wind noise is going to be like. This 46.5. I sort of feel guilty not kicking it because the is flogging away. Okay, now we're up on the crest, so we should see before we get to the next less steep part, the voltage. So 46.4, 46.3, and but I'm actually steaming away from Andy a bit, so we'll catch up at the top. I just see at the top. Oh shit, it's gonna rain. Okay, now we're still 46.1, rolling along. Again, it's not low. This cruise control is great. You know, I don't actually have to do anything. Just just go on. And it's actually pretty efficient. Andrew's back down there, so I'll get to the top here where we're going to conduct the next section, and I'll just wait for him to get here. So there he goes. I don't know. People say will it go up hills, but I reckon the answer is. Better than you will, and this is only the single motor version, not the dual motor version. So anyway, on the next section I'm going to basically coast with the motor, you know, still connected, and we'll go down that hill down there. So now that Andrew's here, I'll explain it to Andrew. Sorry to make you do this first thing on a Saturday. Yeah
6 months.
So what we're going to do is we're just going to go down here. So we'll go to the line over here. I don't want you to pedal at all. I just want you to coast. And so we'll go to the bottom now. At some stage you'll probably feel like you need to apply the brakes. Because your rolling resistance is going to be so much lower than mine. Because, like, among other things, my wheel size versus your wheel size. Let's just make it clear. Thank you. It's a little itty bitty teeny weeny tiny polka dot bikini wheel, isn't it? You know, like, there it is. Okay, so now the thing's recovered to 50.2 volts, which is good. You know, it's had a bit of rest. So I'm just going to kick off, and then we'll go down the hill. And I won't know when you brake, but I don't think it'll be important. So let's just like rolling start it, and then he's not pedaling, and pretty quickly I don't think it'll make a big difference because you're going to win anyway. So no battery, 50.3. I'm doing a bit of wind slipping. He's hit the brakes. Hey. When'd you hit the brakes?
Oh, just in the last 40.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Cool. Well, there it is. So, we'll, yeah. So we'll head back and you can peel off and go to your joint, and I'll go back and do this. And thank you very much for your time.
Stop at my side.
Okay, sure.